What I most like about the job is that I get to do bits of office work and then get to go out on site each day, and it's a good mixture of both.
Balpara Traineeship Program interests me because I've been looking for an entry to power distribution company, and I saw that Balpara offers some engineering solutions and services.
I was looking for a career in the electrical industry.
A few things I've learned here is teamwork and also leadership.
The key ones I've learned are drafting and time management.
The skills that I've learned are auditing, bits of drafting, knowing standards of different power companies.
One of the skills I've developed during my time in Balpara is my communication skills.
What I most like about the job is that I get to do bits of office work and then get to go out on site.
Well, I enjoy my job, which is drafting and detailing, and I enjoy the team I'm in.
I like the balance of office work and site work.
Also the fact that we have ping pong tournaments here and ping pong on our breaks.
I've been part of a couple of different projects as I've been doing detailing these past few months.
I'm part of the Metro Tunnel project.
The main projects I've been working on are the Glen West Solar Farm as well as Barwise Station.
One of the achievements that I'm most proud of is that I get to not only learn AutoCAD but also learn new standards for every utility provider.
The biggest achievement that I think I've done is completing my 6 months here as well as going up to Glenron for the solar farm.
I've recently achieved the 60% billable of the Balpara Traineeship Program.
I'd recommend this traineeship to people that want to get into design, want to get out on site and want to have a good community here.
I would like to recommend it to someone who wanted to develop their skills furthermore and someone who's interested in power distribution company.
I'd recommend a Balpara traineeship because it will offer you experience and also variety.